Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create talking AI avatar for free. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to your browser and kindly open your Canva platform. And after that, make sure that you also sign up or sign in with your Canva account. Since this is the platform that we're going to use to create talking AI avatar for free. And after signing in, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating such as projects, templates, brand, invite members, and many more. And all you need to do is to scroll down until you find the application or apps option. So kind of click on it and you will see on the right side panel some of the option of the application such as the trending apps. We have here anime styles, Latiflies, multilingual, enhancer and many more. But just proceed by clicking this TID AI presenters. So upon clicking on it, it will show us a pop-up window in which it says here that AI presenters at a click of a button. And to start using this, you have the two options, but just proceed by clicking Use in New Design. And from here, you also have the option to custom size, video, Facebook post. But I'm going to choose the video. So upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the next tab. And from here, you can start creating your own video of talking AI. And you will see on the left side panel some of your presenters that you can choose or the avatar. And as you can see, we have a variety of avatar that you can choose in here. We have here men, women, and different kind of ethnicity. But I'm going to choose this one. So can I click on it? And after that, below here, this is the part where you can enter the script or what do you want the AI avatar to say. So for instance, I'm going to enter here some other context. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the language that you prefer. But I'm going to stick with this default one, which is English in United States. And after choosing the language, the next thing that you need to do is to choose the voice that you want to use for this AI avatar. And after that, by clicking this preview speech button below here, you will be able to hear what the AI sounds like depending on your preferences of voice and also the script that you enter. So this is what it sounds like.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how AI voice text works.
So that is just how the AI sounds like based on the style and details that I enter. And now to start generating the presenter, you also need to sign in or sign up on did.com, in which you will get 20 credits for free. And after that, by clicking this button, Generate Presenter, they will deduct 1 credit to your total balance of credit. And then all you need to do is to wait for it to load until it show up on the right side panel. And from here, it will show you the AI avatar that are talking based on the script that you enter and the voice that you selected. And you can even change the position a bit to your Canva or to your slide or presentation depending on your preferences. So as you can see, I just put the avatar on the top left corner of this presentation. And to make your presentation more creative, you could also use some other options on the left side panel such as the elements, design, text, and you can even upload your own media files from your computer. But for instance, I'm going to choose the photos that I'm going to add to this presentation. So can I click this photos option, and below here, as you can see on the left side panel, it offers a variety of images that you could also use for free. So for instance, I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it, and as you can see, it is now appear or added in our presentation. And I'm just going to enter here the layer of it as send to back in order to make this as a background of our avatar. And you could also resize the images that you selected. And aside from images and videos, you could also select or add music background to your presentation by simply clicking the audio option on the left side panel. From here, it will show you a variety of music that you can use as a background music to your presentation, in which those music are divided into different kind of categories. So upon clicking or dragging down the music, it will now be added or successfully added to your presentation as background music. And aside from that, you could also add other elements, such as some of the graphic design that you can find in Elements option on the left side panel as well. However, if you're now done designing your presentation or output, in order to download this output, all you need to do is to click the share button on the top right corner. Then just proceed by clicking the download button below and click download button again. But before that, let's see the result or the output of the presentation that we just made. So this is basically what it looks like and what it sounds like.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how AI voice text works.
And now you've now successfully create talking AI avatar for free. So if you think this video is helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.